Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Murano. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.